Big cats of the Amazon rainforest. The jaguar. This large cat is the top predator of the Amazon rainforest and can be found in rainforests across South America. It is an apex predator, meaning it has no natural predators in its environment. Ocelot. The ocelot is a small wild cat found in the Amazon rainforest and other nearby rainforests. It is an opportunistic hunter, meaning it will hunt whatever prey is available. Margay. The margay is another small wild cat closely related to the ocelot, but slightly larger. They are also opportunistic hunters and can be found in rainforests across the Americas. Puma. The puma, also known as the mountain lion or cougar, is a large wildcat found in the Amazon rainforest and other nearby rainforests. It is an ambush predator, meaning it will hide and wait for an unsuspecting prey before attacking.